Okay, my advice to upcoming freshmen or anybody taking this class, or really anybody attending college, number one, do not procrastinate. It's easy to see in the syllabus that something's going to be due in 2 months, and you think 2 months is a long time, but it's going to be there before you know it. And along with that one assignment, 30 others are going to be due. So if you can, when you can, get it done. Turn it in or put it aside so it's done. Stay organized. Keep all your papers together with the classes, keep them in order. Most of the questions on a quiz will show up later in a test in some form. So keep those to study off of and use for later reference. Actually, keep them for later on for other classes because you can always look back on those and they may help you out, like different algebra classes or all your other science classes that relate to each other. Attend all your classes. You can't get your papers to study off of or any maybe extra credit points that you may get for that class. Um, so attend them all. Not all professors take attendance. It's up to you to go, but you can't get all the information you need if you don't attend. If you attend your classes, make sure you ask questions while you're there. There's no point in showing up if you don't ask anything and don't stay informed. Professors never mind stopping to help to ask a question, and if you ask a question, there's probably other people in the class that have the same question that are going to be like, oh yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. So when that happens, you'll feel better about asking it, but just never feel bad about asking a question. Take advantage of your professors. They're there for you to help you, and sometimes they can help you in other classes. If you have, a lab professor that's different than your lecture professor, they may explain something in a different way that is still going to help you out with all your classes. So keep in contact with them. They can help you out in future, with references or just with other classes to help you understand concepts that maybe you're not getting from the professor teaching you then. So always keep your professors in mind. Um, Even if this class you're going to have is not part of your major, make sure that you attend it with an open mind. It may not be what you're studying, but it may be something you're interested in. And if it is, maybe think about taking another class in that subject, even if it's not part of your classes that you need, because it may be something you'd like to minor in, or maybe you even might want to change your major. Because just if you picked out that class, does it that major doesn't mean you have to keep that major. You can always switch it. So enjoy the classes, take advantage of them, participate, and keep an open mind. Um, Everybody hates group projects, but you need to take advantage of them. Communicate with the other people in your group, learn their names, get their phone numbers. Remember that you can use them later on in that semester for that class or maybe for another class, and you'll probably be in a lot of the same classes because you all have the same major. So just remember that you can take advantage of that and have help later. And sometimes group projects will lead to study group, and study groups are your best friend. Sitting around with different minds and throwing off ideas of how you're remembering something or how you're understanding something is something that you can't have by yourself. So that's why group studying is awesome. It gives you two, three different minds trying to understand the same concepts, and you're in the same class and listening to the same lecture, but you're understanding something different. So they can help tremendously with that. Make sure you attend with them and show up and help and participate in the group, and it will help you enormously. And most importantly, always remember to enjoy this experience and have fun because it's a once in a lifetime deal. Thank you.